In this video, we're going to be looking at customizations and how we use them when making a second guide. Customizations override the master content created in Content Hub and make it easy to create property-specific content for different guides. The way we would do this would be to go to the Content Hub and scroll down to the Wi-Fi Internet Details category and find the Wi-Fi Internet Details topic. Click the three dots on the right and choose the Edit Topic option. Scroll down to the bottom of the topic and click the Add Custom Text button. Then, click on the guide that you want to add the customization to. Edit the topic information with the Wi-Fi details that are correct for just this property, and click Save and Go Back to go back to the Content Hub. Click Save if you want to go to the Guide content page for the guide you just added a customization to. You'll get this pop-up box checking if you're sure you want to create a customization. Click Save and the pop-up will close. You've now changed the Wi-Fi details just for this property without changing it for any others. Amazing! Now you can see your customization in Content Hub. In the future, if you need to, you can come back here and click on the Custom Guide button to make any further changes. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in contact. And remember, you can find loads more helpful information in our knowledge base.